Hi, my name is Brandon Monaco, Service Advisor here at Walter's Mercedes-Benz at Riverside. I'm going to go over some of the importance of doing your A service with us here. We are an authorized Mercedes-Benz service center staffed with factory-trained technicians that know your vehicle inside and out, specialize in all things Mercedes-Benz. Your Service A is due once a year or 10,000 miles, whichever comes first. During your Service A, we will replace your engine oil and filter, utilizing Mercedes-Benz synthetic motor oil and genuine Mercedes parts. We also check and correct all fluid levels depending on your factory recommended service interval for your vehicle's year and model. Also, perform a tire inflation check and correction, check brake components and brake wear, and reset your maintenance counter. And for your safety, we will perform multi-point inspection. Our technicians also only use genuine OEM replacement parts during repairs, as well as the latest diagnostic tools to properly service your luxury vehicle. We make it convenient for you to schedule your service appointment. Give us a call or go online at waltersmercedes-benz Riverside.com. We hope to see you soon.